Hi, in this video we will learn how to create whiteboard animation like this using Canva. If you are new to this channel, subscribe and like this video.
Click on Create New Design and click on Custom Size. Input this value: width is 1280, height is 720. Then click on Create New Design. And you will have this. Go to your left and click on Text to add your text. Add your text content and scale it up to your desired size. Place it up as seen. Go to Fonts to pick a fancy font. Place it well. Now to two elements at the left and search for any object name that you want to use. Click on it to add it to your canvas. For me, I will search for lion. Download your work. Now go to your left-hand side and click on Apps and search for Speed Paint. Open it and follow the settings on the screen. Choose File to pick the video that we downloaded. Follow the settings on the screen. Now click on Animate Image. And allow it to load. And you will have your video like this. Now use the corner point to scale it up to cover the canvas. Now you can download your video and enjoy.